implementing strict process separation. Process A, the ring probe installation.
The robotic micro-dispenser applies a measured amount of high-viscosity thermal lubricant onto the internal gears.
Check the refueling line connection.
Reading nominal. Secure the bundle now.
We are clear for process A insertion at the assembly cell.
Confirmed. The probe alignment looks good on the schematic.
Final alignment achieved. Sub-millimeter precision confirmed. Ready for insertion.
Balance confirmed. Ready for transit to the fuselage.
As the boom cycles, the specialized UV light checks for leaks. The distinctive purple glow confirms the primary seals are holding pressure perfectly. Initiating pressure sequence. Reaching 5,000 psi. Test complete. System holding nominal load.
Okay, easy now. Bring it left slightly. Aligning pin 1 engaged. Ready for securing sequence.
Decoupled from the assembly jig, the MiG-31 fuselage is now engaged by the massive overhead gantry crane for transfer to the main assembly hangar.
Apply the anti-corrosion paste evenly on all connection points.
I'm checking the lower interface now. Looks clear.
Slow adjustments on the starboard side, bring it down 5 millimeters.
Copy that, 5 millimeters down. Alignment looks green.
Check the upper ramp actuator, bank B.
Reading calibration at 98%, clear of debris.
Good.
Sealant application is complete.
Continuity check on ECU-1.
Confirmed. Green light solid.
Okay, it slides in now.
Thermal connection secured. Start the torque sequence.
We have full power across the board.
Confirmed. Systems online.
Bring it down 5 millimeters. Starboard bolt secured. Alignment check is green.
The final external sensors, including the critical air data probes and the IRST system, are meticulously installed.
Tow bar attached, clear to move. Roger that, slowly pulling forward, watch the stabilizers.
Check the tactical numbers against the spec sheet.
Confirmed. Serial is 76.
Check the gasket seal right here. Looks perfect. Aerodynamic alignment confirmed.
Simulation active, data stream looks good.
Running dynamic load profile now. Check avionics response.
Confirmed. We're monitoring the simulated pressures and turbine speeds now. The electronic integration must be flawless before ignition.
All surfaces clear. The refueling probe looks good.
Checklist synchronized. Process B is complete.
All safety pins are in place.
Copy that. Intake covers secured. The aircraft is safe for movement.
Starboard pins removed and accounted for.
Testing equipment loaded, we are green for the functional test. Oxygen, regulators, gauges, check.
Fuel quantity, sequencer, scope.
Engine start sequence initiated. Nose wheel steering engaged. Braking systems fully operational.
The MiG-31 Foxhound cruises at high altitude, showcasing its long-range patrol capabilities.
the extended refueling probe makes contact with the drogue. This connection demonstrated the precision required for the mid-air fuel line integration.
Refueling probe fairing secure, confirming no signs of stress or leakage.
Received. Durability confirmed. Status updated.
Systems check on the refueling probe hydraulics.
Logs confirm flawless operation, Captain. All green.
Outstanding performance.